Here's how to fix Discord no route RTC connecting problem. So first you want to open Discord, and then you want to click on the settings icon for the user settings, and then scroll down to voice and video, click on it, and then scroll all the way down and try to enable quality of service high packet priority by checking it like this. Now you will need to close this and try to join again the voice channel that you're trying to join and talk in. Now, since this is mainly a network problem, you can try to change the channel server. So for example, click on edit channel if you can modify the channel settings. So, and then you want to scroll down and under region override, instead of automatic, you want to manually set it to the closest region to you and the other people talking to the channel. So for example, US Central. If the users in the channel are all in the US, so you can pick the closest server to all of the users or participants, and then click on save, and then rejoin the channel, and that should already improve the quality and fix the problem. Now, if you're still having issues with that, what you can do is completely close Discord. So you want to go to the task manager and find Discord in here, and then right click and end task. Now you want to open the command line as admin, right click on the start button, and then open terminal or Windows PowerShell as admin, which is pretty much the same. Now you want to run the following commands, which is ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter. Now you can close this and try to open Discord again as administrator. So you want to search for Discord, right click on it and click run as admin, and wait for it to load up. Now you can try to join the channel again and see if that solves the problem. Now otherwise, if you're still having the issue, what you can do is right click on the start button and then click on settings. In here you want to go to the network and internet, and then at the bottom you want to click on network reset, and then click on reset now and confirm to reset your network. Now if you can't find it, you can search for it, open the start menu and then type network reset, and then directly open it from here, and that should generally solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.